Hello students, I Sushma Kataria from Surya School Bhiwadi, and today in this video we will discuss about the 12th class first chapter, the last lesson, and we are doing the revision part 2 of it. As you know that in our previous video we have discussed about the background of this chapter. In this we discussed that in this chapter was basically based on the story of a boy, friends, and it was the timing of this story was when the France and Persian was in war, clear. And in that, Persian government has captured the two states of France, that is Lorraine and Alaska, and in that they passed an order, and what kind of consequences and what kind of condition were arise after that order. So these things were highlighted in this chapter. So let's start with it. Then I hurried, as we discussed in the past previous videos, that Franz was in hurry towards the school because he was afraid of scolding of Mr. Amhamel, because he gave a test on participle and he was completely not aware about the P of it. So somewhere he was not ready to go over there, but he find that the outside condition was also not so good, because the Persian soldiers were drilling with having a weapon in their hand. So he find it will be easier to go to school rather than to roam here and there in the road, clear. So what he did, then I hurried by as fast as I could, clear, because I don't want to get late. The blacksmith watcher who was there with his apprehension reading the bulletin called after me, "Don't go so fast, Bub, you will get your school in plenty of time." So somewhere he just someone give him advice that there is no need to go hurry, so you will reach on the school in time. I thought he was making fun of me, and reached Mr. Amham a little garden, all out of breath. Little garden वो क्यों बोल रहे हैं, बिकॉज स्कूल के बाहर एक छोटा सा लिटिल मिस्टर एम हैमल को गार्डनिंग का बहुत शौक था. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही जस्ट grow lots of plants outside the school. So usually when school began, there was a great bustle which could be heard out of the street, clear. What he saying that when he as he reached the on that time, the school was very different from that day, clear. Reason, बिकॉज ही फाइंड दैट द स्कूल वॉज नॉट दैट मच हासिल, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. अब आप भी जैसे आप देखते हो कि जब भी आप किसी स्कूल के बाहर से निकलते हो तो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ वॉइस फ्रॉम द स्कूल, क्लियर. वट काइंड ऑफ वॉइस क्वेश्चन कैन बी अराइज, डिस्कस अबाउट द वॉइस विच अपीयर फ्रॉम द स्कूल heard out in the street, clear. The opening and closing of this is very important question. What kind of sound a question can arise hoga ki why that morning seems as Sunday morning. This is very important question, it's 2 marks question. Why that morning seems as Sunday morning? Because there is no sound is coming. कौन से sound? The opening and closing of disc. Lesson repeating in unison. जैसे वो कहते हैं ना कि कोरस में जो बच्चे जो हैं वो एक बच्चा जब बोलता है तो पीछे पीछे उसके सारे जो बच्चे उसी सेम चीज़ को रिपीट करते हैं, क्लियर. Very loud with our hands on our ear to understand better, क्लियर. जैसे कुछ एक्शंस करके वो जब बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता है, ठीक है. एंड द टीचर्स ग्रेट रूलर रैपिंग ऑन द टेबल पे उस डंडे को बजाने की जो आवाज़ है वो नहीं आ रही थी, बट नाउ इट वॉज ऑल सो स्टिल, मतलब कुछ भी वहाँ से आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी. सो समवेयर उसको ये लग रहा था कि मे बी आई वॉज देयर ऑन द रॉन्ग डे, मे बी इट वॉज अ संडे. सो आई हैड काउंटेड ऑन द also to get my desk without being seen, but of course the day everything had to be quiet as Sunday, clear. So because of that reason, because the voice is not coming out from the school, because of that reason he used to say this morning as a Sunday morning, clear. Through the window I saw my classmates already in their places, and Mr. M. Hamel walking up and down with the terrible iron ruler under his arm, clear. So the scene in the क्लासरूम इट वॉज दैट, तो वो विंडो से जब देखता है तो जो उसके क्लासमेट्स होते हैं वो अपनी अपनी जगह पे बैठे होते हैं, और जो मिस्टर एम हैमल है वो अपने रूलर को अपने आर्म के अंडर डालकर वो क्या करता है, वो इधर उधर जा रहा होता है. आई हैड टू ओपन द डोर एंड गो बिफोर एवरीबडी, you can imagine how I blushed and how I frightened I was. So अब वो कहता है कि यहाँ पे he was sharing his feelings. The question is what kind of feelings he have when he was about to enter in his class. So he was very blushed, उसको शर्म भी आ रही थी because he was late, and he was frightened too. Reason because he was having a fear of scolding of Mr. Amhamel. Clear? So in this video we'll discuss till that now.